In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, over 20 patients on the St. Anne's Bay Hospital waiting list received well-needed surgeries on Labor Day. With that story, here is Kian Morgan.
23 surgeries on the 23rd day of May in the year 2023. It's a symbolic mission led by medical professionals at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital in St. Anne on Labor Day. An outreach initiative themed A Labor of Love saw doctors from 4 different surgical teams performing colposcopies, hernia, and carpal tunnel surgeries, among other procedures for patients on the waiting list.
So we had involved all levels of staff, from the consultants down to the intern level, from the housekeepers, the porters, all in one accord.
Dr. Jordana Lindo, who was a part of the team performing endoscopic carpal tunnel release surgeries, says patients who suffer from pain in their hands and wrists were relieved.
It is a short and relatively quick procedure. Our patients have relief of symptoms almost immediately after procedure.
Donna Sicard says that she was in indescribable pain for over 20 years.
Sometimes I cannot touch anything. Sometimes the tip of the finger feel like when you hold on hot pot.
Not only is she relieved from the pain, she's also happy it didn't cost her a penny.
I feel good. I'll get over this problem. I feel blessed.
Dr. Lindo says the illness, which is often misdiagnosed, is very common among women.
Usually women that are very, very hands-on in terms of housework, or persons that are around the desk doing computer work daily.
Senior Medical Officer Dr. Tanya Hamilton Johnson says the initiative is in its 3rd year.
We believe this is not just for us, but this is for the community.
The day's activities also included a blood drive and renovations to the facility. Dr. Hamilton Johnson says it's a joy to give hope.
We just like to put a smile on a patient's face when you can give therapeutic surgeries. And in addition to that, when you can actually extend it to people who have been waiting long. Remember now, people would have been compromised in doing work. They would have been compromised in terms of pain. So would have relieved a patient in terms of pain, would have corrected an illness, and would have now increased the working capacity of somebody. And I believe that's nothing else you can look for but that success.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A ray of